Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel once again. This is your friend Abhishek, but not a financial advisor. And here I am once again for you guys, bringing up some amazing updates regarding one of the stocks which could really rally now after the news came out today. And the stock is SMCI. I have mentioned this stock to my Patreon members as well, and I did mention that this is a heavily risk asserted stock, especially when the investigation was going on and they fired, or the Ernest and Young company left the evaluation committee as an evaluation committee. So it was a risk, of course, and we were a bit skeptical about this investment, but now it has been de-risked. And of course, this is more of a hardware business, and the margins are not that good as people are saying. They are comparing this to Dell. And the margins for Dell is actually not so great. But now, since the company has been de-risked, the news is that the new committee found no fraud in the financials. The CFO has been replaced as well, and that means the year-over-year growth for SMCI would be 180%. This is amazing, guys, and especially a super cluster powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell's platform, which is set to redefine the AI data center applications and capabilities. I think SMCI is now powered for growth. And I do think that everything being de-risked now, SMCI could be a really good investment. Today, it's up by 20% while making this video. At the time of making this video, sitting at $39 or something, touching $40. I still think it's a good opportunity to buy because now the PE is at 18 and it was trading at 100 over 100 PE. I don't expect SMCI to go back to this PE ratio again, but I do think that 30 to 40 PE is for sure in books for SMCI, and I do believe that SMCI will go back to those levels. So $55 to $60 is my price target, and this is what I already recommended to my Patreon members. Now, coming back to Cassava Sciences, I will not cover in this video, and I know that we had a lot of losses, and that's why I had not been posting any videos lately on this channel, because I took a step back and it was quite sad. I lost a lot of money, but I was more sad for my viewers who came on to my channel for information regarding Cassava Sciences always. And yeah, even though I'm not responsible for anything, but I just still felt kind of responsible. Yeah, that's why I did not post anything. I just felt really not so good, not so positive. But anyways, that's in the past now. Let's reevaluate everything. I'm bringing a really good video for you guys because there were more stocks in my portfolio, and I'll be showing you guys my personal portfolio, which has been performing phenomenally well. Apart from Cassava Sciences, I will also show you how much I lost in Cassava Sciences in the next video. But anyways, this video is for SMCI. SMCI had been a really good stock for many investors, and it gave a lot of returns for many investors as well. But due to the fraud allegations, it fell down by more than 50-60%. But now, since it has been de-risked, and as soon as they will give us the financial overview of the company, which I do believe that the revenue estimates would be around $5 to $6 billion. Like I said, it would be around 180% year-over-year growth. If that happens, then the rally for SMCI is definitely going to happen. If, like I said, their growth is around 180%, even if the year-over-year growth comes to be at $4 to $5 billion revenue, 100% growth, then I still believe that there is still a lot of growth, because after the short seller report, the PE ratio was, like I said, at 15 or 16, but it deserves a PE ratio of 30-35 for sure. Let's not compare this to Dell. Let's not compare this to other hardware businesses until now. Of course, in the future, the margins will shrink for sure, because ultimately it's not a software business, it's a hardware business, and the demand will slow down for sure. And but until then, I do believe that 30 to 35 PE ratio is definitely in for SMCI. So that's it, guys. That's all for SMCI. We are definitely buying. We bought today as well. Some of my Patreon members even took the risk and bought at $30 and even at $18. So they are up by 50-60% already. So yeah, please don't hesitate to join our Patreons community if you would like to know some stocks beforehand. And yeah, we do talk a lot about stock market, real estate, and crypto as well. Anyways, not an advertisement. just mentioned it to you guys. Thought of bringing up this juicy update regarding SMCI stock. So this was a short SMCI stock analysis and my price target for SMCI in the coming 6 to 7 months. So this was the SMCI 2025 price analysis, stock price target, which I do believe is there for SMCI for sure. The stock has rallied up by 20% in intraday trading. So you see that the money is coming back to SMCI, and this is what will continue to happen in my opinion. That's it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. The amazing video is coming soon. I'll upload in this week, I guess. I just need to edit it. So stay tuned and I'll see you there in the next video. Ciao.